Hello everyone from Chef Diamond's Kitchen. How are you all doing? You are welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I shared this simple but delicious okra soup recipe. Please, if you are new here, kindly do me a favor by subscribing and turning on your notification button. And to all my returnees, thank you so much. Let's do this. I have placed a clean pot on the fire and I will be adding my cow meat and my goat meat. Then I will go ahead and blend my fresh tomatoes, onions and scotch bonnet pepper together. After blending this, I will be adding it into the pot of meat. I don't want to allow anything remain in the blender, so I am going to rinse and add to it too. Then I added seasoning cube and salt, and I will allow this to cook for about 15 minutes. Then I will go ahead and chop my okra. Oh, I love chopped okra. I don't like using grater or mortar. I just love it this way. That way it will be crunchy while eating. And after doing this, I will go ahead to check on my meat. It is ready. Then I will add my fish and allow this cook for about 3 to 4 minutes. Then I checked again. I will be adding the palm oil, and next I also add my okra. After doing this together, I'm going to stir together. You can see the obstacles are doing fine in there. This is so delicious. I allowed this cook again for about 10 minutes again, and it was ready. You have to come to my kitchen right now. It's so smelling nice. Then I will serve and enjoy. Do you love this okra? Do you love eating okra? Okra is my favorite. Leave me a comment below and tell me. And also tell me where you are watching from so that I can appreciate you. Thanks for watching this video and see you in my next video. Goodbye.